Most people scroll through global news like it's entertainment. Oil prices exploding, football finals, Bitcoin predictions, interest rates, AI breakthroughs. But what if every opinion you already have about the world could actually become a trade? That's exactly what BingX EventX is doing right now. And honestly, this might be one of the most interesting things I've seen in crypto trading in a long time, because this isn't just another coin or another meme market. This lets you trade real-world events, yes or no, with actual money behind your prediction. And the craziest part, BingX added up to 10 times leverage on top of it. And for a limited time, trading fees are literally 0%. Now stay with me here, because once you understand how this works, you start looking at world events completely differently.
Hey everyone, crypto never stops evolving and neither do we. Here we uncover the latest projects, exchanges and breakthroughs shaping the blockchain space. From simple breakdowns to deeper insights, our goal is to make crypto easy to follow, exciting to explore and inspiring to be a part of.
Imagine this, a major football final is coming up. Everyone online is arguing about who's going to win. Or maybe people are debating whether Bitcoin will break a huge price level before the end of the month. Normally, those conversations go nowhere. But on BingX EventX, those conversations become tradable markets. You simply choose yes or no, that's it. And honestly, that simplicity is what makes this so addictive. You're not staring at complicated charts for 6 hours trying to decode candles. You're looking at an event you already understand and making a probability-based decision. Now here's where it gets interesting. This isn't some random unknown platform trying something experimental. BingX is already one of the biggest crypto derivatives platforms globally, trusted by more than 40 million users. They're also partnered with Chelsea FC, which honestly tells you a lot about the scale they're operating on. And what I personally like is that BingX isn't locked into just one type of trading. You've got crypto, forex, indices, commodities, futures, copy trading, and now EventX, all inside one ecosystem. So instead of only depending on crypto volatility, you can actually diversify into events happening around the world. That's a pretty different angle compared to most trading platforms right now. Now let me show you why EventX is getting attention. The platform gives you two ways to trade. The first one, and the one everybody's talking about, is leverage mode. This is BingX's exclusive feature. Instead of waiting for an event to fully finish, you can trade the changing probabilities themselves with up to 10 times leverage. And this changes everything. Let's say odds suddenly shift because breaking news drops. Maybe a team's star player gets injured before a match. Maybe market sentiment flips after economic data gets released. The price moves immediately. And with leverage mode, you're trading those shifts in momentum. Amplified. That means even smaller moves can become meaningful opportunities. Now obviously, leverage increases risk too, so you have to use it responsibly. But from a trading perspective, it makes the platform way more dynamic. One important thing though, leverage mode includes an auto-close timer before the final event settlement. So before opening a trade, always check the closing time shown on the platform. That part matters. Then there's classic mode. This one is much simpler and honestly perfect for beginners. You just choose yes or no, hold your position until the event finishes, and the payout happens automatically based on the final result. No complicated management, no advanced trading knowledge needed, just a direct prediction. And honestly, I think this is why EventX has potential beyond regular crypto users, because you don't need to be a professional trader to have an edge here. If you understand football, you can trade sports events. If you follow economics, you can trade macro events. If you're deep into crypto narratives, you can trade Bitcoin-related outcomes. Your real-world knowledge suddenly becomes useful in trading. That's a very different feeling compared to staring at random altcoin charts all day. And another thing I genuinely like is the accessibility. You can start with as little as 1 USDT. That's important because it lowers the barrier massively for beginners who just want to test the platform without risking huge amounts. Plus, right now, EventX is running with 0% trading fees during the public beta phase, so you're basically able to experience the platform without getting eaten alive by fees. Now here's the part most people miss. EventX isn't just about gambling on random outcomes. The real opportunity is understanding probability shifts before the crowd reacts. That's why this feels closer to trading than simple prediction markets. And because BingX combines multiple asset classes in one platform, you can actually hedge your exposure in interesting ways. For example, if crypto markets are extremely volatile and unclear, you could shift attention towards sports or economic event markets instead. That flexibility is underrated. And from a security perspective, BingX seems to be taking things seriously too. They've got a $150 million shield fund, proof of reserves verification, ISO 27001 certification, and a user base of over 40 million people globally. That doesn't remove risk. Trading always has risk, but it does show they're operating at serious scale. They also have BingX Academy built into the platform, which is useful if you're newer and want educational resources before risking real money. And yes, customer support is available 24/7 globally. Now let me actually walk you through how to use it, because the setup is surprisingly simple. When you open BingX, there are multiple ways to access EventX. You can enter through the homepage recommendations section, through the market page, or directly from the contract section at the bottom navigation bar. Once inside, you'll land on the event square. This is basically the marketplace for all active events. You'll see different categories like crypto, sports, economics, entertainment, and more. Pick an event you're interested in and tap into it. Inside the event page, you'll immediately see the core question and the two sides available, yes or no. If you believe the event will happen, buy yes. If you think it won't happen, buy no. Then choose your position size. You can place a market order if you want instant execution, or a limit order if you want to enter at a specific price. And once your trade is live, you manage it however you want. You can hold until final settlement. Or, if the probabilities move in your favor early, you can close the position beforehand to lock profits. That flexibility makes a huge difference, especially during fast-moving events. Now, before we wrap up, there are two things you absolutely need to know. First, BingX is launching a massive mystery box lucky draw campaign starting May 19th, and the total prize pool is insane. $1 million. Here's how you participate. Every action on the platform earns you lucky draw chances. Deposits earn entries. Trading earns more entries. Inviting friends stacks even more chances. So the more active you are, the more opportunities you get to hit rewards from the prize pool. And honestly, this is probably the perfect time to test the leverage feature, because that's clearly one of the main highlights of EventX right now. Now second, and this part is specifically for you guys watching this video, I've got an exclusive BingX referral code that unlocks a 20 USDT futures voucher with 5x leverage. But there's a catch. It's only available for the first 50 users. So if you want it, don't wait too long. Here's exactly how to claim it. Step 1. Click the registration link in the description below. Step 2. During sign-up, enter my referral code right here on screen. Insert code. Make sure you type it exactly. Step 3. Once your account is created, go into the rewards or voucher section and activate the 20 USDT voucher. From there, you can use it for futures trading and start exploring the platform immediately. And yes, I'll put the code on screen again before the video ends so you don't miss it. This video is for educational and experience sharing purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Contract trading involves high risk and may result in partial or total loss of funds. Please assess risks independently and manage your positions responsibly. Product availability may vary depending on your region.